Hello everyone. Today we are going to make vegetarian Alfredo macaroni. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Macaroni 300 grams, milk 400 ml, processed cheese 250 grams, all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons, 30 grams butter, 1 tablespoon Szechuan sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, and 1 teaspoon oregano powder. The vegetables we are going to use today are onion, 2 large, 100 grams carrot, 100 grams French beans, and 100 grams capsicum, all sliced in julienne. We'll be putting the macaroni for a boil, and we have taken a large saucepan filled with water. We'll be adding some salt, and then we'll be adding the entire macaroni to the saucepan and let it boil and be cooked. We will shift the macaroni to a different stove, and we'll take another saucepan, and in this saucepan we will put some butter, now we'll saute the onions with the butter. We will keep stirring the macaroni once in a while so that it doesn't stick to the base. We will saute the onions till they turn translucent. Now we will add the French beans and carrots. After we saute the carrots, beans and onion, we'll be adding capsicum to it. And we'll saute it further for 2 minutes. We'll be adding some salt to taste. When you add salt, the vegetables leave some water, so keep the stove on the full and saute it well. Don't overcook the vegetables. We'll be now adding some oregano and black pepper. Our vegetables are done. Transfer it to a plate. By this time our pasta should also be well done. We'll just check that once and then we will drain the water from the pasta. So we'll switch off the stove and we will drain the water from the pasta. We'll keep the pasta aside for rest. Now we'll again use the frying pan and we'll be making the white sauce. We will put in the remaining butter. As we can see, the butter has started to melt, so we will be putting in the all-purpose flour and we will stir it for some time. Now, as you can see, the all-purpose flour is well done in the butter, so we will put the stove to medium and we will be adding milk to it. And we will stir the mixture till all the lumps dissolve. We'll again put the stove on high. Now we'll be able to see after 5 minutes that the consistency of the white sauce has thickened. It's time to add the rest of the spices. So we'll start by adding the Szechuan sauce. Then the remaining black pepper powder, the oregano, and we'll also add some garlic powder to this. We'll be mixing it thoroughly. Keep mixing it so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And finally, we'll add some salt to taste. We'll not be adding too much of salt because we'll also be adding the cheese, and we have already added salt to the pasta while boiling and the vegetables while sauteing them. Now it's time to add our cheese. We'll not add the entire cheese to it. We'll keep around 50 grams of cheese with us for the garnish. We'll mix the white sauce well so that the cheese dissolves completely. You can look at the consistency of the white sauce, how thick it has become. The creamier the white sauce, the better it tastes. Now we have our white sauce ready. We'll be mixing the macaroni in this. We will mix the macaroni thoroughly so that the white sauce can seep into its gaps. The recipe can serve up to 5 people, which is very good for a small family. So it's almost done. Now we'll start with the plating. So we have over here all our ingredients ready. We have the macaroni in Alfredo sauce, sauteed vegetables, and a small portion of coriander for garnish and grated cheese for garnish. So we'll start with the plating. It's done and ready to be served.
Thank you everyone for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel to watch many such recipe videos in the future. Leave a comment in the comment box for which recipes you would like to see further.